Alright my loves, so I'm going to walk you guys through my updated everyday makeup for acne and oily prone skin. And normally my skin gets clear for like 2 weeks and then acne resurfaces for like 2 weeks, so it's back again. And for my everyday makeup I start off with a mattifying primer, and the one I'm using here is from Makeup Forever. And then I'd like to apply it using Beauty Crush Cosmetics 111 Essential Tapered Foundation Brush. This comes in their 5-piece ultra high quality brush set. You guys, like seriously, these brushes are so soft, blends liquid and powdered products flawlessly, and the price point is so affordable. This is now my go-to brush set, and they also have the eye brush set for applying shadows. You have to check them out, and of course Christmas is right around the corner, so this will make a great holiday gift set. So this is one mistake I used to make until my dermatologist corrected me. I normally used to apply the primer on my hand and then rub it all in my finger before applying it to my face. But you guys, this is so wrong. You are meant to use a brush to apply anything on your face. No matter how clean you think your hands are, there is always germs hiding somewhere. So please do not use your fingers to apply primer or foundation or anything at all, especially if you have a problematic skin like me. Also, if you have an oily skin, please, I would recommend using a mattifying primer because this will help keep your skin mattified all day. The next thing I do is to give the primer a little time to absorb into the pores before applying my foundation. Before, I would just go in and apply the foundation while the primer is still sitting on my skin without doing its job. And I've experimented on this and find that leaving it for a minute or two helps in how mattified your face becomes at the end. And for foundation, I'm using my favorite natural looking foundation, which is Lancome Teint Idole in 460 suede, and also I'm using Beauty Crush 102 round buffer foundation brush. I love the fact this foundation brush is huge, and I've noticed it cuts down the minutes I take to blend my foundation in half because it essentially covers the face, and the final result is a flawless blended face. I love to fill in my brows because the brows holds down the face for the most part, and I'm using Anastasia brow pomade in chocolate. Of course, for an everyday makeup you need to fill in your brows because it makes you look alive, and even if you decide to just apply lip gloss after that, you will still look great. And over here, I love to apply a skin tone concealer on my under eye, forehead and chin, and this helps bring in light and dimension to the face. And I will blend it out using Beauty Crush Wine Blender. This blender is just a one-time fast blend of concealers because the blender is huge, you guys, and perfectly blends your cream products. You can also use it for your foundation. I love the flawless look I get whenever I use it to blend out my foundation, but for today's video I'm just using it for my concealer. Next, if you have an oily skin, please listen up. Do not forget to powder down your face because that's the one thing that will help get rid of any moisture from your face and give you a mattified finish. And for an everyday wear, I love Sacha buttercup powder. Alright, so this part all depends. Sometimes I like to apply shadows while other times I just don't bother. But days where I just apply 1 to 2 shadows, that's it. And I like to use a shimmer shadow first on the lid because it helps open up the eyes. And then I blend out the shimmer shadow with a matte shadow on the crease. And I'm using Beauty Crush 213 Soft Shader and 210 Soft Precision Crease Brush. Also, don't forget to blend some shadows on the lash line, and then I love to tightline my lash line with a pen liner and then apply a ton of mascara. Days where I don't feel like applying lashes, I love to use a ton of mascara, and I love to coat my natural lashes back and forth and also go behind my lashes and coil it forward. Like I said, my everyday makeup depends on my mood. Sometimes I go without makeup, other times I wear makeup, so it all depends. So for the lips, I like my lips to be the center of attraction, so I like to line with a brown lip liner and then apply a skin tone lipstick. This is MAC's Naturally Transformed. It's just the perfect nude for black women. After that, I love to gloss it all the way up, guys. Like, I love my lips to be popping. One of the last things I do is to add some color to the face using a contour powder, and this one is from ABH, and I just love to shape and contour my face, and I'm using Beauty Crush 108 Precision Angled Brush, which is perfect for contouring. After that, I will just use a big face powder brush from Beauty Crush to make sure everything is nice and blended, and that is just it, you guys. So for the purpose of people who can't do without their lashes, I will go ahead and apply a natural looking lash, and that's simply it, my loves. I hope you all enjoyed, and please let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. Also, don't forget to like and check out these brushes, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.